guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is June. For today's video, it's going to be an apartment tour. I'm super excited to film this video. I moved a month ago and I was so excited when everything is like all put together. It was hard for me at first to really decorate it because I get so picky and so perfectionist that, oh, that part is missing something, or that part is missing something, or that frame doesn't go there. It's just like all that nonsense. But I'm really happy of what, I'm just like looking at my apartment. I'm really happy the outcome of it. I moved in with my fiance. It's our first time moving out from our parents' house, so it's like a new journey for us too. We both worked very hard to put our apartment together. It looks very nice. You know, we have people already visiting and they just gave us like amazing compliments, and that made us feel so good because, like I said, it's our first time. This is our first time having our own apartment. And I'm also gonna cover which store we got our stuff from, so you guys don't have to like ask me or wonder where I got things from. Just wanna let you guys know I'm not trying to brag. I just wanna show you our place, and so you guys can see like my style too. And showing your style, kind of like showing your personality too, like in how you are. That's why I'm making this video. Let's cut this intro shorter and let's get started to the video. So first, this is the front door. This is obviously where you walk in, and on this side is just our mail stuff and our key holder. And then once you walk in, this is how our apartment looks like. I'm not getting a lot of good lighting because it's like so gloomy outside. So this is how you see when you walk in. You see the living room and then the kitchen over here. And then when you turn to the right, that's the bathroom. So I guess we'll start in the kitchen first since we're already here. I'm sorry if the lighting is a little bad because, like I said, I don't have a natural light. So yes, I covered this already. So here is my kitchen. I do have an island and it's been amazing. When we got this apartment, this island literally sold me. And then here is obviously the fridge. And here is my countertops. So I got those jars in HomeGoods. I went for copper style because who doesn't like copper, or rose gold, but they look more like copper. And I just have cookies in there, Oreos, and just hot chocolate and sugar. Nikki and I don't really drink coffee, so we went for hot chocolate. We love hot chocolate. And Valerie got me this copper electric kettle. It's amazing. And she also got me a rosé wine. And I got this spatula holder in HomeGoods, and so is my spatulas. I'm not gonna go through what's inside my cabinets. Well, those are just like junk foods, and those are like my seasonings and stuff like that. And here's in my microwave and my stove. And here is my sink. I got this from HomeGoods. It's like very popular in like HomeGoods or TJ Maxx. And I got this paper towel holder. It's also copper. And I got this tier. I think they're for like cupcakes because like they're for like serving stuff like that. But I usually just put fruits and vegetables and lemons and stuff like that. I got it in this color too, copper. And I just have like a candy holder there, and I have dishwasher there. And I'm actually gonna show you guys my plates, and because it's, you know, I think it's really cool. So I got that in IKEA. It's like blue teal plate, and we use mason jars, and then we just have like regular cups and wine glasses up there. The lighting here is so bad. Anyway, and here is nothing really interesting. I don't know why I opened that. And here is my island. I really love my island. And guess what, guys? Look, I put all these flowers together. At first they were like all loose, and I had to look through YouTube on how to take care of like mini carnation, because my Valerie got this from me, and I saw that, you know, you had to like make it like this. So I'm so proud of myself. I really don't know how to take care of flowers. I'm not a big fan of flowers because they just die. So, but I'm gonna try to take care of this one. And here I have more cabinets. Here's just like a junk miscellaneous drawer. This one too, miscellaneous. And here is our silverwares. We also got copper. We just love copper, or rose gold, whatever you want to call it. Well, I mean, rose gold and copper is totally different color. But yeah, we got copper. And then here's just like my knives and stuff like that. I was thinking to get a knife holder. And then here is just like my pots and pans. It's really dark in there, but I don't have anything much because I do cook, but I don't need like a set. And here it's just like junk. I mean, not junk. And here it's just like my mittens and towels. And here is just plastic bags. And so we have 2 bar stools. We both got those in IKEA. They're very sturdy and like they are very affordable. They do spin. They spin up and they spin down. So it depends on your height. Nikki is very tall, so he obviously put his down. And then on this wall, we got this in this frame. We got that in HomeGoods. And those succulents, they're fake succulents. I got them in IKEA. I love this rustic frame. It goes with our theme. And then that antique frame or antique sign, we got it from Michael's. It was actually on sale. This candle, I got it from, of course, Bath and Body Works. It's rose and vanilla. It smells delish. Not delish, but it smells so good. And we're gonna go here to the bathroom. You guys see me right there? So here's our bathroom. It's pretty big actually. That's our shower curtains. It's like just trees, branches. We got that in Big Lots. And on the side of the wall, we just have our towels and those 3 mirrors. I have that for like 2 years. I got it from my room, and then of course I took it here and then put it there. It looks really nice there. And here is our bathroom sink. Hello. And those are just like the cabinets, so we just put our bathroom stuff in there. And then on this wall, we have, I got that crate from Michael's. And this, I believe in Michael's also. And I painted that. And these stuff I just printed out and got the frame from also Michael's. In this crate, I have some hand towels and red velvet cupcake. A little shelf there. And I just have like tissues in there and some toilet papers. I put it in the basket. So I got that basket in HomeGoods. So everything you see in my house is literally from HomeGoods or IKEA. And the same, this one is the same from the kitchen, from HomeGoods. And I have here on this side of the sink or vanity, I don't know what you call it, but I just have cotton buds in there, and some cottons. And these jars, it's recycled candle holder, as you can see, Yankee Candle. And this is from Bath and Body Works. And I just, of course, love the color of this because it goes with our theme. And I just have a speaker there because we love listening to music, of course, when we go to the bathroom. And then walking more and walking towards the closet. There's nothing interesting there. I just have my robe right there. And like girly stuff and like camper. So, bye bathroom. Oh, I forgot to mention to you guys, that door goes to our bedroom. Like I said, I'm gonna do a separate tour for that. So here is the closet. It's a coat and Nikki's shoe closet. And then, moving on to the living room. So let's go over our living room. So this is how our living room looks like. So let's start from here. So Nikki is obsessed with mangas and figures, animes, and stuff like that. So we bought this bookshelf in IKEA, And I'm not gonna tell you guys where he got this mangas and figures from. He has his own channel. I'm gonna put his YouTube channel on the screen right now. So go follow him if you're interested on like mangas and animes and stuff like that. He covers everything and talks about those stuff. I'm gonna show you guys a little view of his figures. And we also went to Anime Boston, which is really fun. He will also make a video about that, about our experience in Anime Boston, because it was our first time going there and I really enjoy it. And then here is the funny part. We have a sign. It says security notice, no photos or videos allowed. It's like so funny. He picked that one, and me being so innocent picked this one, which is not very innocent. I love this part of our house. It just stands out the most because not many people would have this out, you know? And like, I don't know, it's just like very different. It makes our apartment very unique. So move along, we have flea market sign. We love flea market. I'm gonna make a vlog video of us going to flea market. We've been gone to so many different types of flea markets. We went to outdoor flea markets, antique flea markets, indoor flea markets, everything. I'm gonna show you guys a vlog about that. And then that mirror, we got it from IKEA. And that TV, my mom gave it to us, so thanks, Mom. And there we have our TV stand. We didn't really make it a TV stand because we hung up our TV, but it's the same cube as Nikki's manga bookshelf, whatever. And we just have our switch. I'm gonna go closer, and I have my Polaroid camera there. Nikki got me Wicked book. It's the original one. I love Wicked. I've seen the Broadway show so many times. And this is a picture of us when he proposed to me. If that will just focus right there. It's so cute. And here is my little succulent friend. So I got this actually from a wedding venue. We were looking for a wedding venue in Warren, and they just gave me this. And it's so lovely how they gave me that. Sadly, we didn't choose that venue because it's super expensive and it's like over our price range. I bought this for him, and this is just an antique camera that we got from flea market. And here is Alexa. It's actually Alexa Look. I'm trying not to say her name loudly because she's gonna hear me. But this actually takes pictures. It's amazing. You could download the Alexa app. See, she heard me. Nothing, Alexa. Okay, nothing. You could download the app and you could see your pictures there. So she's built for outfit of the day pictures, because you know, you could show your style and you could share it too. Many people use this and they will share their outfits of the day and just, you know, stuff like that. I would use it for outfits of the day and just a family pictures. When I have family over, we just like take pictures and we just tell her, Alexa, take a picture, and she will take a picture. So yeah, move along. Here is just our Nintendo Switch. We have our Xbox right there, and we just have like books in there. And we got that, it's a Captain Bell. I think we got that in Home Goods or TJ Maxx, I'm not sure. And then here is just like those cute boxes. We just have like our electronics over there, and like controllers and board games. And here is just pillows and blankets, like more blankets. And on this side of the living room, we have a kind of a map going on, adventure. And here is an Italy map. I got that from Amazon for Nikki when he was studying abroad in Italy. And here is the Roma frame. They got that from Italy, which is really amazing. And then here, we got this from a flea market down the shore. I love it. We actually, I think I got it. We got this for like $5. And look how good condition is in. It's like amazing. So I put the globe there because it just goes with the theme there. It's so pretty. And then on this side, it's just the window, and we put just twinkly lights. Well, Christmas lights actually. We just turned that on when it's nighttime. And then here's our couch. And then this one here too. They're both recliners. We love it. And I got those pillows in IKEA. And I also got this pillows from IKEA. Here is our built-in bookshelf. So let me go closer. Here on top we have cameras. We got it from flea market. Those are like very antique cameras back in the day, and those are just our diplomas and yearbooks. And here more books, and then more books here. His LSAT books, and this Gladiator. Did I say that right? Gladiator, whatever. Gladiator helmet. He got that from Italy actually, and he got me this little ones. He had one too, but I think he lost his. And then this is actually was a real grenade from his grandfather, who was in Vietnam service before, obviously. And more cameras in there, more books. And then down here is more books, more cameras. This very like old looking camera, and this like the old Polaroid camera. Have my guitar right there. And then right over there, you guys could see, that is like a huge, I think it's like a, I don't know if it's a camera or a video camera. I don't know, I'm not sure. I think it's like this one where you take videos. And then here, just like a knife, like actually, it's like an antique knife. So that's why we put it in there. And then here is just our mystery box. We call it mystery box, but it's actually memory box. We just have like memory stuff in there throughout the years that, you know, we're together. And here is just a random table. It's like a foldable table. We just use that when we want to eat in the living room. And here is our very, very special coffee table. This coffee table came from his grandfather. He got it from service in Vietnam. So this is actually from Vietnam, which is amazing. And then on the bottom there is just our Xbox controller and our remote controller and just some coasters. Now here I have a candle. Let's see if it focuses. It's called White Tea Farmhouse. I got that in Home Goods. And here I need to fill this like more candies. I love having those because when I have guests, they can just like take it when they feel like eating candy. This side of the wall we have our Polaroid frame. Let me show you guys. It's all of our friends and family. And then on this side is just it's just a frame. It says adventure, and it's a world map right there. So you guys get our theme: rustic, travel, map, cameras, random things. So it's very, I would say, rustic random. I think that's like a perfect name for our style because it's really random. But we love it. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Leave a comment if you have any questions or requests for a video that you want me to do. And follow me on my Instagram here, June Soriano. And make sure subscribe if you haven't already yet. Subscribe. I post videos every Sunday, so hit the ring bell so you guys on top of my videos so you guys won't miss it too. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.